hormone replacement therapy, or HRT for short. Menopause is a completely natural phase in a woman's life that typically takes place in the ages of 45 to 50. Throughout this time, the ovaries stop producing hormones, and this can cause a variety of signs and symptoms, consisting of an irregular period which will eventually stop fatigue, sweats as well as hot flushes. Hormone replacement treatment can aid with signs of menopause by providing synthetic hormones created to change the body's diminishing estrogen and progesterone levels. HRT is a very frequently prescribed medicine and also is well endured, yet there can be adverse effects. It can trigger bloating, breast tenderness or swelling, nausea or vomiting, leg cramps, headaches, indigestion, as well as vaginal bleeding. However, the majority of these will only be short-term. Most professionals agree that taking HRT for 5 years or less poses little or no risk. To obtain your prescription, you can have a totally free consultation with a UK GMHC registered prescriber at Online Pharmacy for you. You can purchase a selection of medicines to help you here at onlinepharmacyforyou.co.uk. We are here to help.